In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Suno AI right from your Chrome browser and make the most out of its features. If you've ever been curious about how to dive into AI tools seamlessly, you're in the right place. Let's explore this fascinating world together. First up, let's open your Chrome browser and head over to Suno AI. If you're already there, fantastic. If not, simply type Suno AI into your search bar and click on the link that leads you right to their official website. Once the page loads, you'll see an inviting homepage. For those of you fresh to this, you'll need to sign up for a free account. Look for that sign up button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to fill in your details. Typically, this includes your email and a secure password. This step is crucial because it ensures that all the fantastic features you'll explore today are tailored just for you. Now, with your account ready, let's dive into the array of free features and trial options that Suno AI offers. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Notice how intuitive and user-friendly it is. This design allows you to explore without getting overwhelmed. Within the free version, you'll have access to a variety of tools that will give you a taste of what Suno AI is capable of. Spend some time navigating through these options. While exploring, don't hesitate to experiment with the trial features available. Think of this as your playground, where you can understand what each tool does and how it can benefit you in your daily tasks or projects. Now let's talk a bit about how to manage your free credits and understand their limitations. As a new user, you are provided with free credits that enable you to access certain features at no cost. These credits allow you to really try out the services without any financial commitment initially. However, be mindful of how you allocate these credits, so take note of each feature's cost and use them wisely. It's like budgeting in a way. You want to maximize the value you get from your available resources. Keep an eye out for any alerts that indicate your remaining credits to avoid any surprises. If you find yourself reaching the limits of what the free options can provide, it might be worth considering an upgrade. Suno AI offers a variety of subscription plans that unlock additional features, enhancing your experience even further. Before committing,